SolidWorks 2013 includes several new capabilities for plastic part designers. The new swept cut assembly feature, for example, lets you create cosmetic features and details directly at the assembly level. It works the exact same way as in a part environment, and it's just as easy. If necessary, you can even propagate the results to the parts. Designers also benefit from an improved mounting bolt fastening feature. In addition to the standard pin bolt plastic feature, users can create very quickly hardware mounts with screw recesses. The new intuitive interface offers more possibilities when adding mounts to your design. After selecting the prototype and placing the boss, you can modify a lot more parameters to get exactly the result you're looking for. Anyone designing plastic parts will also be thrilled with the thin profiles options that now support chamfers. Not to mention that they properly extend into the sidewalls and combine freestanding fins for proper support. Once the casing of the pedometer is completed, there's only one way to predict and avoid manufacturing defects that could occur during the injection molding process. With SolidWorks Plastics fully embedded inside SolidWorks, you can determine exactly how the part will feel, no matter how complex the shape is. Setting up the simulation is simple. Thanks to a powerful and fast mesher, you can mesh this part automatically or apply fine controls to get more accurate results. The material you use, of course, is very important. SolidWorks Plastics allow you to choose from an extended database of over 5,000 commonly used commercial-grade plastics with detailed properties. Then, all you need to do is specify the injection location and eventually change some of the process's parameters before running the analysis to determine whether or not the part will fill with melted plastic. It takes a couple of minutes to simulate the process, but you are going to be able to ensure the manufacturability of the part and prevent costly mold rework. This is what really makes SolidWorks Plastics so valuable. In addition to providing in-depth insight into the molding process, it helps you identify potential molding, cosmetic, or structural problems. Once the results are ready, you can animate the fill time plot to see exactly how the melted plastic material is injected inside the cavity. You can also visualize the air traps or weld lines and take advantages of the many result plots that are generated in order to conduct a comprehensive analysis of the casing. Finally, you can move on to designing and analyzing the complete pedometer casing. Using a family mold layout guarantees that the mating plastic components have the exact same mechanical properties, color, and appearance. However, to ensure the quality of the part and minimize stress levels, the mold cavities need to be filled simultaneously. SolidWorks Plastics let you model, adjust, and automatically balance the runner system to rapidly optimize the fit system. SolidWorks 2013 offers an unrivaled set of tools to easily design the most complex plastic parts and ensure their manufacturability.